Hey, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Joseph Fountain here. Thanks for tuning in. So I just want to give you guys a quick update on this channel. So typically on this channel, I talk about, you know, money, finances, and investing. And I've decided to also add in some of the content that I have been building up for another channel that I have, which is more geared towards business marketing in a sense. Just from my perspective, you know, just being, you know, a father, husband, you know, real life, and just how to, you know, help your business progress some and things of that nature, just from different conversations that you may not hear. Well, one of the problems I was having, of course, was, you know, just multitasking. You know, me and my wife, we have 3 kids. We have a few businesses. I have a digital marketing company. I've had that for a while, like last 6-7 years. You know, we have this channel where, you know, I'm talking to you guys about, you know, money. You know, then also I have created a blog around it. I've done some other things, some other business things around the finance area where, you know, I've taught, you know, like, or given like free classes, you know, just in my area to community, things of that nature. You know, my wife, she has her own product line, like health and beauty product line that she's recently started. So, I mean, basically we have a lot going on. However, there are some changes that we wanted to make with our YouTubes, and I decided to, in a sense, just basically merge, you know, the 2 YouTubes that I have. Now, I don't put a lot of content out on the other one because I've just been building up. I pretty much upload here mostly. And so I decided to just, you know, combine it. You know, like you know, like one of the things that, you know, we tried to do was we tried to do the, you know, the niche channels and, oh, well, just keep things separate, which is fine. But for our personal life, it's just not working. Because we also, with my wife and her business, there are just personal things that we do, like just how we've been eating a lot more healthier and different things like that, you know, we've created like, you know, some social media, you know, places where, you know, people can get information about, you know, not just our journey, but how to be creative and eating healthy and different things of that nature. So we have a few things we're working on. So it just makes sense for us to, like, you know, just condense some things. It makes it easier on us. But then also the main important thing was, yes, you know, the niche channels may be the best thing for YouTube. However, it's just not the best thing for us personally. So, you know, with that being said, just decided to condense some things, add different things into, like, I'm adding things into this channel. With her channel, we're completely changing that up and creating that around, you know, like I was talking about earlier, just some of our life changes and things that we're working on or whatever, more of a family-ish type of thing. But, you know, it works better for us to do it that way because it's been kind of hindering me when you have so many different things that you're doing, even though it's all in the same, you know, confines, you know, because I only really typically do 2 things, you know, that's with my business, which is business marketing, as well as, you know, just help educate people about finances. My wife, all her stuff is around just health and beauty. And so we don't have a ton of different things, like we're not split in like so many different areas, but, you know, we just have different aesthetics that we've been working on and things that we've been building. We've had some opportunities that have been really great, and we want to expand on that as far as just being able to put ourselves in position to be able to help educate people more and things like that, or just to help, you know, like we don't know it all, but, you know, we just want to help, you know, as well as, you know, just be able to promote, grow, and strengthen our, you know, businesses that we own, that we built, you know, ourselves, that we created or whatnot. So but yeah, so that's what's been going on. So no more hindrances. I think it's been like a month since I uploaded on this channel. And so, you know, that's way too long to upload. I really love being able to, you know, give and help people learn how to invest, help people learn about finances, just through, you know, personal trials and errors, things, you know, that may be current, whatever the case is, as well as helping people, you know, grow their businesses, grow their passions, you know, turn their skills into, you know, opportunities where they can build their business, but, you know, just with a different thought, you know, like we just try to make it easy for people. So basically all I'm saying is on this channel, there's going to be some changes. Now, the lesson in this is even in your investing and even if you're someone that has a business idea or you have something you're pursuing, the lesson is, yes, there are certain things that you want to put in place because that works great for the market. But then there's also some things that you need to put in place that works for you. So in your financial endeavors to get better, everything's not going to work for you. Every program is not going to work for you. And that's fine. Just be who you are. Be, whatever works for you, that's how you have to go about that journey and that path so that you can accomplish what you're trying to accomplish. Same thing in business. Hey, everything that's out there about business, it may be good stuff and it may be very true. However, it just might not work all the way the same for you. And that's okay. So just be okay, with, where you are, be okay with who you are, and don't be afraid to show the world or show your audience who you're trying to reach, or just show yourself, this is what I'm about, this is what I do, and this is what I have to offer. And you can learn and grow in that as well. So, hey guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. And I definitely appreciate, each and every subscriber that we have on this channel. I think currently right now we have like just under 600 subscribers. And I appreciate everyone that has chosen to subscribe to this channel, and I pray that it is definitely helping you, and we'll continue to pump out a lot of good content. We got a lot of different ideas and things that we wanted to get into, but now with the changes I can definitely get into them with no restrictions, not putting myself in the way, you know what I'm saying? So, but anywho, I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, peace.